I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty, No Uber right at my house, call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I did too much, I feel like I did too much. Let's get all y'all, yeah, I need all y'all. I feel like I did too much, I feel like I did too much. Yeah, let's party y'all, yeah, I need all y'all. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much, I feel like I did too much. Let's get all y'all, yeah, I need all y'all. I feel like I did too much, I feel like I did too much. Yeah, let's party y'all, yeah, I need all y'all. Since you've been gone, I've been just okay. I know you mad, you didn't see it my way. Since I've been gone, I've been out of space. I let little shawty come here and take your place. Tried it, couldn't keep my love, you too excited. You want a paper plane, I'm the one. Wonder why your girl always smiling. Yeah.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need.
put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm hauling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me drip. Straight up out the objects, I'm a beat. If I got up on a lean, I'm a sip. I run the racks up with my queen like but I got rich on all these niggas, I didn't forget back. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget that. I hopped inside of the Maybach and I want to sit back. These bitches know me now, cause I got them big racks. Cause I'm getting money now, I know you heard that. Young nigga on the corner, bitch, I had to serve that. Uncle fronted me some peas, had to get them birds back. We came up on dirty money, I gave it a bird back. Cut off the brain and I gave my bitch a new goof. Either you from the y'all gang or you soup. Got a New Orleans bitch and man, that pussy voodoo. Ain't on a nigga now. I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the street. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm hauling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. I've been waking up to get the money, whoa, whoa. Got a bad bitch ass, daddy, whoa, whoa. Bench it to my toes, 2 twins are fucking a boat. I put her in new AP, water like a boat. I was down bad on my dick, what was you niggas ain't? I know you turned your back on me just to get some wrecks. I seen you swerve back, cause I'm in a black bag. New diamonds on me, fuck a flash, this ain't Snapchat. Cause I been getting paid. Yellow diamonds on me look like lemonade. Got my baby mama that new vintage. Tryna get a dojo like a sensei. Rolls Royce umbrellas when I'm in the rain. It's my business. I got brothers that did the time, I ain't kidding. All these rappers just talk about it, I live. Going up, I ain't got no sky limit. Yeah. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the street. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm hauling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm hauling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me drip. Straight up out the objects, I'm a beat. If I got up on a lean, I'm a sip. I run the racks up with my queen like but I got rich on all these niggas, I didn't forget back. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget.
Am I supposed to twist it? Let me see. Oh, you recording yourself?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. What I do? Look, it says I did this. I did that. Now what?
Let me see this. First of all, don't say nothing about twisting nothing on here. See?
Tootie. It
say push it
I
down.
just did it.
Girl, I
I I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you.
Alright y'all, so let me show y'all. So this is not the finished product because I just ordered a bunch of lash stuff from Shein, whatever y'all call it. I got like a rug, I got more lash supplies, and I'm gonna do like a part 2. I'm gonna show y'all me setting the rest up. But so far I have I have the bed set up. I have most of my stuff from I'm gonna show y'all. I got most of my stuff from Amazon, but I found a lot of stuff. I'm gonna link below what I have now, but the next video I'm gonna show y'all all the stuff I found on Shein, which is way cheaper than Amazon, because in the process of learning, I'm not trying to spend too much money if I can get the cheaper version of it. But that's just me. So I had got, let me flip it, hold on y'all. I got this lash thing from Amazon, but it's way too small. So I actually ordered, in this box right here, I have a bigger lash cart. I'm gonna put that up tonight, and I'm gonna upload a video of me putting that up, and then I'm gonna show y'all like beginner lash tech must-haves, and we gonna walk through that. I'm gonna be real descriptive. I'm not gonna gatekeep anything. I'm gonna link everywhere I got everything from. So I'm gonna show y'all how it's looking so far, and then it's gonna be all together by the end of this week. Hopefully it's gonna be together by the end of this week, because I don't know, it's just a process finding the right stuff, especially with like, I don't know, I feel like a lot of people, they just selling stuff, so they be wanting you to buy their stuff, so they make it seem like, oh, don't buy this because it's cheaper, but it's literally the same thing when you order it. So we gonna see. Before I sign off, I'm gonna show y'all a little video of how the room looks right now, and by the end of the week it'll be completely done. But I kind of have almost everything right now, just like a small few things here and there that bother me, so I ordered more stuff, but y'all gonna see that by the end of this week. Yeah, but thanks for being on this lash journey with me, y'all. It's a lot more to come. I'm gonna make this whole thing like a big series, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want.